Hey everyone, so today's video is the huge holiday giveaway. I am so excited. I do this video for you guys every single year. I think this might be what, the third year in a row that I've done this video, which is so exciting. I always love giving back to you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all your support. I am extremely grateful, especially during this time of kind of managing work and a newborn at the same time. You guys have been so patient with me, so thank you so much for that. But also make sure to be following me over on Instagram at Madison89Miller, because I'm also doing a separate huge holiday giveaway over there. So make sure to go follow me over there and stay up to date, so that way you can enter that when that goes live. But yeah, good luck to everyone in this giveaway. I will have all the rules and everything you need to know about how to enter in the description box down below. I prefer putting it there so that way you guys can screenshot it, save it, mark your calendars, all that fun stuff, instead of making this a lengthy intro. So make sure to read the description box down below to see how to enter this giveaway and what the rules are. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you love giveaways and the holidays, and also comment down below what is your favorite item in this giveaway. Okay, so before I go into all the products real quick, I also want to let you guys know we are having a huge Black Friday sale on my shop. It's Shop Juliette Rose. It's my online boutique. We just launched a bunch of new clothes for you guys today, and then we're doing even more on Monday for our Cyber Monday sale, but make sure to head over there. I will have that link down below for you guys, so that way you can check out all the amazing deals and all the new pieces that we have up. This is one of the new pieces right here. It's an off-the-shoulder kind of burgundy top. It's nice and fitted. It's even fitted down by the body as well. It's really pretty and will look gorgeous with some black skinny jeans and some booties for a holiday party, and compare a really pretty burgundy lip with it too. I think it's perfect for the winter time and the holidays, so definitely go check it out. I love it. It's so comfortable. I am wearing a size small right now, so these definitely run a little big, just so you guys know. Bobby, I have noticed, runs a little big, so we actually don't have these in extra small. And right now my post-pregnancy body is still a little bit bigger than what my original size used to be, so I'm running into a small and a medium for tops, and this small fits me perfectly, so you guys know. But yeah, definitely check them out. I highly recommend it. This top is so cute, and also we have a ton of other cute pieces that just launched too, so make sure to go check that out. Now let's go ahead and get into the products here. So the first thing that you will have a chance of winning right here is the Too Faced Under the Christmas Tree. I love this set. It comes with 3 palettes in it, so you get 2 eyeshadow palettes, you get 1 face palette that has a highlighter, a bronzer, and a blush in it, and then also a deluxe sample size of their Better Than Sex mascara right here. I actually really like the eyeshadow palettes. I've been using them. I think they're a great formula, and I think they are so cute. I really love it what they did with this set this year. And next up is another set that I really love from Too Faced. You guys, I'm obsessed with the makeup bag. Let me show you the makeup bag. This is the makeup bag that comes with it. This is my everyday makeup bag. I love it. I know it's kind of crazy to be liking something so much for a bag, but the bag is awesome, but so is the palette. So this one is called the Christmas Dreams Dream Queen Limited Edition Makeup Collection. So like I said, it comes with that big makeup bag, comes with the mascara as well, and then the lip gloss is really pretty too, and it also comes with a deluxe hangover setting spray. And then you get the big palette, which is the full face makeup palette. It has eyeshadows in it, and it has blushes, bronzer, and highlight. It is so cute, so I love that I was able to get another one of these for the giveaway. Next up, what I'm giving away is a product from Benefit, and Benefit always does these really cute tins that I think would look so adorable underneath the tree. This is the Benefit Give Me Some Sugar. So this one has all the best products from Benefit. I love this one. It has the Hula, which is full size. It has the Professional, which is full size, and then a full size of the High Beam and a full size of the Roller Lash. So everything is full size in here, and the packaging is just adorable too. It's a nice little tin. Another holiday set that you have a chance of winning is the Tarte one. This is in the Pineapple of My Eye Collector set. So this is what the palette looks like right there. You actually get an eyeliner, a mascara, and one of the, what are they called? The Lip Quench Lip Rescues, which are so good. And this is just an awesome little set. I actually have my palette back there that I've been using because I love to test things out. And again, I really like the eyeshadows in it. I actually really love the blushes too. So it has the blushes and the bronzer right there. And then it has all the eyeshadows. I really love the eyeshadows on the top part part because those are the colors that I tend to gravitate to. All right, so another set from Too Faced is the Christmas Dreams one. This one also has a really cute makeup bag in it. Let me show you the makeup bag. So this is the makeup bag right here for it. This one has more of a faux leather lining to it instead of the other one that has like a cloth, but it's another really good, I would say this would be a really good brush bag because it's not as wide as the other one for makeup, so this is awesome. Or if you like don't have very many products and you just have like the necessities, then you'd probably be able to fit everything in here. But I really love the coloring of this one, and it has little bunny rabbits on it. So it comes with eyeshadows, also comes with blushes and highlighters and bronzers, and then a deluxe size of the mascara, and also another lip gloss that is really, really pretty. This one is more of like your lip color, but better. So I really, really like the quality of this one in here, but it's also another awesome set. If you saw any of my previous like Ulta and Sephora hauls, then you already know what a lot of these products are, but I threw in some more too. Next up, we have the Urban Decay Elements eyeshadow palette right here. So this one is an awesome palette that has a ton of different colors in it. Super fun. You will also be winning the Benefit Cake Pops. This is their little collection right here with a bunch of the full-size punch pops, which are really, really nice. And then also the Pure and the Dr. Seuss The Grinch collection right here. So this is the mask one. It comes with the color-changing, skin-perfecting clay mask in here, which is really fun. Next up, what you'll be winning is the Bare Minerals Ethereal Nudes. This is a 6-piece mini Gen Nude lip collection. So you get a bunch of their different formulas. You get the Mini Gen Nude Buttercream Lip Gloss, which are great. The Mini Gen Nude Patent Lip Lacquer and the Matte Liquid Lip Colors. So these are awesome and really pretty wearable colors. Also from the Pure Cosmetics and Grinch collection, you'll be winning the Good Enough to Steal 12-piece collector's face palette and color changing lip balm set. So it comes with those really pretty eyeshadows and then also that green lipstick that turns pink on your lips. If you guys watch my PR hauls, you saw this right here. This is the Private Society. This is like a new company that just launched from makeup artists. And this one is the volume 1. So I actually did not open this one because I was like, you know what? I want to save this for you guys. So I'm going to be giving this away because also the shadows and everything are really, really pretty in it. So I'm going to be giving that away as well. Next up, I'm giving away some of the mini holiday sets from Ofra Cosmetics. These are so cute. I love these. So this is the Ofra Winter Heat Wave. So this one has the highlighter and the long-lasting liquid lipstick and the micro makeup fixer right here. So that's like the makeup setting spray. And then also the Winter Heat Wave right here, which has 4 of their liquid lipsticks in here. So those are really pretty colors for the holidays. Next up, what you have a chance of winning is the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials. So this has a blush, a foundation, a shadow brush, a highlighter, and concealer brush as well. And then you get that amazing little sponge in there too. Next up, we have a chance of winning is the Moroccan Oil Body. This is the dry body oil right here, full size. Next up from the MAC Holiday Collection, I'm giving away the MAC Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact. So this comes with like a bronzer, a blush, and also a highlighter. And then of course I have to throw in some sheet masks for you guys. So I have a ton of different sheet masks in here for you guys to use and try out. These are awesome. And then also from Skin Iceland are the Hydro Cool Firming Face Gels that you have a chance of winning. Next up, what I'm giving away is a new product from IGK. So they just came out with this. This is the Pre-Party Sprinkle Hair Strobing Glitter Spray. So I thought this would be really fun for you guys for like a fun holiday party to throw some glitter in the hair. Next up from Pure Lease is the Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. You will also be winning the Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. And next up is this really cute palette from Too Faced that they came out with. It's called Tickled Peach, and it's their little mini palette with awesome colors in it. I also have some more products from the MAC Holiday Collection here. We have the Extra Dimension Skin Finish right here in the shade Snow Flushed, a lipstick in the shade Straight Fire, and then 2 lip glosses right here, and they are in the shades Rose Buddy and Tudor Rose. And then last but not least, one of their eyeliners. This is the Dazzle liner in the shade Statisk. I think that's how you say it, I'm not sure. Also from the Desi and Katie Dose of Colors collection, I'm giving away Chasing the Sun. Next up from Laura Mercier, I'm giving away 4 of their Caviar Stick eye colors. These are awesome. These are great bases for like a smoky eye, or they're just great by themselves. A really quick way to do your makeup. I think they're beautiful. So you're getting the shades Orchid, khaki, fog, and copper. Next up, I'm giving away the Smashbox Cover Shot Bold Glitter Eye Palette. And then also a full size of the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And then also from Moroccan Oil, I'm giving away the Moroccan Oil treatment, which is great. Like, put this in your hair when it's wet or even when it's dry. It's amazing. And then also from IT Cosmetics, I'm giving away the Bye Bye Lines Serum right here. And then for my favorite color from Ophir Cosmetics, I'm giving away Vanilla. You guys always ask me whatever I'm wearing on my lips. It's usually this shade. It's like one of my favorite colors ever, and it's so comfortable. So yeah, you're getting my favorite shade right here, which was really hard for me to let go because I was like, I could use another backup, but I have to share this. You guys have got to experience it. It's amazing. And then next up, what you'll be winning is the Tarte Guard 30. This is their Mineral Powder Sunscreen. So this is actually a powder sunscreen that you just dust on your face and you can protect your skin from the sun, which is awesome. And last but not least is a full size of the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in the shade Extra, which is really pretty. It's actually the highlight that I'm wearing right now. It is really pretty and very nice and subtle. All right, so that is everything that I'm giving away in this huge holiday giveaway. I hope you guys like the products. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you love holiday giveaways. Also, comment down below what product is your favorite in this giveaway, and good luck to everyone. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram so that way you can enter that giveaway over there, and I will see you guys in my next video.